Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best rolling duffel bags that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Olympia Luggage 8-Pocket Rolling Duffel Bag. Still can't think of the ultimate solution for your travel needs? Then, this top pick on our list must be an excellent choice to consider. This 22-inch rolling duffel bag from Olympia is made of polyester and synthetic fabric that make it well built and reliable for heavier and bulkier luggage. It is one of the most purchased bags on the market that features a large compartment, side pockets for additional storage, and multiple carry options. The impressive feature about it is the weight. The bag itself is super lightweight that can accommodate all your travel essentials without going over the standard weight limit. The push-button retractable handle allows you to maneuver the bag easily. There's also a hide-away zipper storage to keep the handle if you want to carry it or have it checked. And for maximum mobility, it comes with metal ball-bearing inline skate wheels. Great storage, great buy. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Samsonite Luggage Andante Wheeled Duffel. This next duffel bag on our list is probably one of the most popular brands you've heard of in the market. Samsonite has built a great reputation for high-quality travel bags for your most anticipated trips any time of the year. And if you're still in search for a wheeled duffel bag, this 22-inch Andante from Samsonite is one of the best options to check out. Every ounce matters. So if you want to fill in your bag with a ton of travel essentials without getting over the standard weight limit, this duffel bag is lightweight and easy to carry. The heavy-duty zippers promote easy closure and the wheels for better mobility. It also has multiple carry options such as a shoulder strap, trolley handle, and a hand carry handle. And apart from the spacious compartment, it also has multiple functional pockets for additional storage. Overall, it features a durable quality that you can use for a long time. At number 3, we have the Timberland Luggage Twin Mountain Wheeled Duffel. Timberland offers a huge line of duffel bags that you opt for your next vacation trip. And if you're tired of the traditional travel bags, you can try this wheeled Twin Mountain duffel bag in 26 inches. It showcases a simple and adventurous design that can match your outdoor gear. Just by what you see in its structure and fabric, you'll know that it is of the premium quality that you can use for your future trips. The bag exhibits a narrow design that makes it less bulky and awkwardly big as your travel bag. The heavy-duty zipper closure makes it easy to open and close the bag, and the buckles secure your storage to prevent your essentials from falling out. It is lightweight, too. So, if you're a light traveler, this can be your option. At number 2, we have the Rockland Luggage Rolling Duffel Bag. It's nice to differ a little when you're out with the crowd. And it can also be true when you're taking your luggage to the airport. You can easily identify which one is yours with its striking color or unique design. And to help you out with that, this Rockland Rolling Duffel has a variety of styles, printed designs, and colors to choose from. Besides the exquisite designs that you can opt for according to your preference, this duffel bag does not fall behind from the impressive features for your storage needs. It features a large compartment for your essentials and pockets for additional storage space. It comes with a U-shaped zipper closure for easy packing and unpacking. You can also roll it on a smooth or rough surface with its oversized wheels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eagle Creek No Matter What Rolling Duffel Bag. Do you need an extra large duffel bag for your next vacation trip? Then better not skip on this duffel bag on our list. This bag from Eagle Creek truly has a witty name that'll give you the idea how much it can handle. It provides an extra large compartment that you can fill in with your travel needs no matter what the adventure you look forward to. It comes with oversized wheels that you can roll over the surface and even on the roughest terrain. So if you're up to an outdoor adventure across the mountains or rocky surface, the bigger the wheels, the better. For secure luggage, this duffel bag is designed with compression straps and heavy-duty lockable zippers. The reinforced webbing promotes quality durability. And to withstand different weather conditions, it is made of fabric that has superior abrasion resistance. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.